Generally, when you visit websites, instead of Tom Cruise, like say if you click Tom Cruise, it will just take you to a link, but also the image will take you to the link. So right now we have pages for Tom Cruise, Robert Downey Jr. and Anne Hathaway in IMDb. We can actually try to get that. This was actually done in one of the examples. Now let me open the IMDb site. Okay, so this Tom Cruise URL. I think this should be enough. I mean, even if you copy the whole thing, this is something that the website generates for the SEO, but this is the actual page. I'll show you that. You will keep learning about this in the future. Okay, so this is the URL for Tom Cruise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to here add an anchor tag Chariev to this Tom Cruise. Now where does it takes me? So when I click at Tom Cruise, it takes me to the Tom Cruise page in the IMDb. Now generally when you look at websites, they always do one thing. So not just the name, also for the images they'll have the URL. So we'll try something for the rest of the actors too. Robert Downey. I'm going to do what I mentioned earlier. I'm going to make sure that when you click at the image, it also takes to Tom Cruise's profile in IMDb, like how this does. So the same anchor tag, I can actually make it as a parent for this image, Tom Cruise's image. So if you look at it, this anchor tag, which has IMDb's Tom Cruise's profile as a href, the URL, it encloses Tom Cruise's image. Likewise, I'm going to do the same thing for Robert Downey Jr. I'm going to enclose this image in the anchor tag. Now for Tom Cruise and Robert Downey, if you click on the image, it takes you to their corresponding IMDb page. Let's do that for Anne Hathaway too. If you're wondering why these websites, my website, whatever I have developed here, looks ugly, we haven't gone to the alignment part yet or the styling part yet. We're just working on the elements. We're just working on the purpose of the elements, what these elements could do, how it could function. See, this image itself, now this image from where to show is what is done by SRC. Okay, SRC's job is to make sure that the image is there and it shows the image from that location. Okay, so that's what it does. But this image tag is being encapsulated with this anchor tag. So anchor tag comes outside. Oh my. So when you click at it, it takes to the corresponding IMDb profile page. I've done that for this link too. So it works well.